Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as CFO Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, CFO Keith here. In today's video, we're going to work on dealing with the jab hook and utilizing the Bong sao. But before we do that, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
I'm going to have side step. I'm going to go for my lop sao. As soon as I get in this force, I can come around and okey-doke me, which is one of my favorite moves. They touch, just come around and slip it into the head. Right? So we can come off the side. I'm going to box out. I'm going to go into lop side. He pulls it back around. I'm going to go Bong, lop in it. All right? Coming through, box out as I go to lop. He takes that force, comes around, go Bong. Just bring it right up. Come back down. Remember, you got to deal with this. We'll only deal with one arm at a time, right? Because he might come with this, he might not. You can never count on anything in a fight, right? You can't. We're going to deal with that shortly. Let's just start with this one. Coming through, box out, lops out, comes around, go Bong, lop and hit, and then you want to finish cancel outside. All right, then we'll do another variation, then we'll free forward. Go to me, he's shooting it. I'm half side step, moving out of the way. I'm going for the lop. Right? And he just whips that other hook. So see my hand is in that position already? Just turn it to your Bong. Cover with the Bong and take your strike, right? So again, I got my box on, I'm going for the lop. He steps through. Here's my Bong. Bring that elbow up. All right, bring that elbow up. Take your shot. So from here, you got your lop right off of there. Then move outside. You always remember, touch one hand, look at the other, because you never know. You always got to be willing or have the capability to interrupt anywhere through there, right? So we're here, the box out, the lop side, bring it down, he throws that shot. I go for my Bong. But look, man, there's a wide open shot there. So now distance comes into play. Do I want to hug him up? Do I want to get close? Or when he throws that shot, do I want to create more space again? So, developing and building on your technique works that way. So the golden rule of touch one hand, look at the other is really, really par excellence. As soon as you touch one hand. Now, is the Bong the only thing? Oh, heck no. The Bong, the BroadSword, they all fit in there. I'm just taking this as a technique to start opening your horizons. So remember this when I say it, and take it to heart. I need you to train you to make your own Wing Chun. Right? The blocks you like, the footwork you like. You stick within the principles, the core of the art, but you need to make your own Wing Chun. It's not fair for me to just teach what I like. Some of you guys have more of a boxing background, a grappling background. You might want to supplement with that, so this becomes all what you guys want to work with. Just so what am I looking at? Let's go back to basics. This distance, what am I keying in on? A lead elbow, which means I should really be training my eyes so I can what? See it and be able to understand it. He throws that shot in, my peripherals are going what? Picking up that next piece. So as I'm looking to move around, if he throws that hook, I can also lock from there, right? Doesn't matter. But from the lop, I go into the Bong, but instead maybe I want to view from there. Maybe I want to quant. Maybe I just want to talk and move outside. These are all options for you. With the drill at hand right now, step off the line, box on, going for the lop side, comes in, I step with the Bong, pull it down. You get side palm or straight hand, doesn't matter, and then I want to move outside from here. But I have this hand, so where's my field of vision going? All right? You okay with that? You sure? All right, grab some fun with it.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.